So you have experienced restorative yoga. You know how delicious that is. But for those who are interested to take this further, for those who has probably completed level 1 or even level 2 of the restorative trainings with me or with other teachers, I would like to share with you something more intimate, deeper layer of restoration. This is embodied relax and restore, and intermediate intensive. So this intensive, I've designed it in a way that it's over and across 5 modules. Each of the modules can be taken independently, although they can also be taken as a sequence, so it feels complete. And the intention of this intensive is really about embodiment. We cover cellular restoration as the first module, where we explore, embody, experience restoration at a cellular level. We'll also explore somatic restoration at a physical level. And one more delicious module, the third module, which is on pratyahara, understanding how senses, perception, relationship might help facilitate or not us during relaxation. There's a module on the mind of restorative yoga, which is very much about the state. We move into meditative states. We speak a little bit about how it's coming closer and closer to its meditation, yoga nidra influences. Yeah. And of course, finally, module 5, being restorative yoga. I call it being restorative yoga because we're no longer just performing and doing the pose, doing shavasana, but rather restorative yoga as a state of being. So we show up in the world, in your classes, with that state, in that state. So I'm really hoping that this series, these few modules, would allow more practitioners to really embed restorative yoga, the state and experience of restorative yoga in the cells. So it's no longer just a practice. Well, there is a formal practice with bolsters and blankets, but very much about being it. And therefore, embodied, relax and restore. My name is Adeline Cheong. Join me soon. Namaste.